My name's Melissa. I'm from South Florida, and I came to Utah Smile Clinic to get the 3-on-6 procedure. So growing up, I had a lot of medical procedures done that I had a lot of root canals. I was raised on processed foods, and with the genetics, my mouth, I wanted a full, beautiful smile. So initially, when I went to Mexico, I was going to get the all-on-4s, and I went to Mexico. I flew home, and I did not have a good experience there. One day I was on YouTube, a video popped up about the 3-on-6, and my whole entire being and spirit was like, that's your dentist, he's going to correct your mouth. And after consultations, I was led to getting a full mouth of implants. And I just want to say how amazing the staff is and how amazing Dr. Randy Roberts is. Like, he is an angel, and I am so grateful that I was sent here to work with him. Right now I'm only wearing temporary implants, and he already did such an amazing job, and I look so forward to coming back for his permanents. If anybody sees this, I highly, highly recommend Utah Smile Clinic.